Now let's review figure 20-28 from Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2. And notice we're dealing with oil field transformers rated 112.5 kVA or less that are installed in detached buildings which are accessible only to qualified personnel that would have access to such an area. And then notice that the vault itself has reinforcing concrete at least 4 inches thick. And the transformers of this type are installed in detached buildings usually, accessible to qualified personnel only. But notice they are all insulated transformers installed indoors, and that's the reason they have to comply with NEC 450.26 exception number 1. And that's what I figure 28 is illustrating to the person designing or installing such transformers.